Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going to start inside Fortnite's main menu, open the three-line menu top right, and tap the gear icon. Once done, pick Game for graphics and Audio for sound, then switch to Input to choose Touch or Controller depending on how you play. Make sure to enable the Input option first, because many control tweaks depend on that selection. While you're here, glance at sensitivity presets. These save time versus manual tinkering later. Now work through the input and HUD editors step by step. First, tweak look and aim sensitivity, lower number smooth camera motion, higher number speed turns. Then enter HUD edit, drag buttons where your thumbs naturally rest, resize critical buttons, and lower opacity so the view stays clear. Also change tap versus hold for building and editing. This reduces accidental placements under pressure. Test each tweak in Creative. Make small changes, because big jumps can break muscle memory. Finish by optimizing graphics and performance to suit your device. Pick performance for smoother frames, quality for visuals, or balance to split the difference. Once you choose, cap FPS and enable frame smoothing to avoid sudden stutter. This makes aiming consistent. If something breaks, controls behaving oddly or HUD not saving, clear Fortnite's cache or reinstall the app, then reapply your HUD preset. Finally, test in a creative island to confirm settings feel right before jumping into matches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.